you guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is my week of favorites, and today is Wednesday, so I'm going to be talking about my leave-in conditioners. If you have not watched my previous videos on Monday and Tuesday, Monday I talked about shampoos, and Tuesday I talked about deep conditioners. So after you have shampooed your hair, deep conditioned, you still in the shower, sis. You're still in the shower or under some water, okay? Especially if you have low porosity hair, you need to put your leave-ins in the shower. If I gotta say it a million times, I'm said a million times. Make sure you are applying your leave-ins when your hair is basically wet and warm. That is when you want to do it, because if your hair is warm, your cuticles are open, and it's just going to allow whatever moisture you're going to put in your hair. Now, this is a very vital step because you have just deep conditioned your hair. Your hair should still be in that moisture state. I have quite a bit of leave-ins that I really do like. And the major key component to all of these are that they're lightweight, because I have low porosity hair. And my hair takes a long time to absorb those thick, creamy moisture. So if you guys are having issues with that, that's probably why, because you might need a lightweight moisturizer. And these are so moisturizing, especially with some water. Girl, with some water and these together, it's just like heaven together. So I want to just go ahead and hop right in. You guys, the Kinky Curly knot today, I keep adding water to this. This has been the same Kinky Curly I've had for the longest. I just put it in this spray bottle with this spray top. Well, I left it in the bottle. I put a spray top on it and I added water to it. So every time it gets low, I just add more water. But Kinky Curly knot today is it, you guys. Like, this is what it is. I love this stuff. It's so moisturizing. A little bit goes a long way. It's lightweight. Love this. If you guys have not tried any Kinky Curly products, you need to try them. They are actually really good. Even though they only have 2 products that I like. I don't even know what else they have, but I like this and the curling custard. So good. Any product that I would change a top for, you gotta know, like, it's lit. It's so lit. So the leave-in conditioner right here is so good, friend. As I am. Literally, this is my favorite brand for leave-in conditioners. Their leave-in conditioners are so consistent. Their products are so consistently good that it's undeniable. It's undeniable. So this is their Jamaican Black Castor Oil leave-in, which is actually their new line. I have been loving the mess out of this one. But honestly, every single leave-in that As I Am has is really good. Let me just go get the Holy Grail, okay? This is the original As I Am leave-in conditioner, and I am literally like right here. Like, as you can see, there ain't nothing up here. The bottle just brown, but there's like not much product in here. I love this one. And the tea tree one, I like to use this one only when I have like braids or something like that. In not necessarily braids, but like after I have a protective style in, I like to go in with this one just to make sure I'm cleansing my scalp. So if you do have dry, itchy scalp issues, this is gonna be a great leave-in for you. And then, like I was mentioning earlier, the Jamaican Black Castor Oil one, I really like this one and the original, because these are more moisturizing than the other one, but they're so lightweight. I just love that they keep that authenticity of being lightweight and not super heavy, like just mixing some cake batter in a bowl. So I do absolutely love any As I Am leave-in conditioners. They're nice and lightweight, and I love it. And I feel like Camille Rose caught on to how As I Am makes theirs, because this, girl, is so good. And this is the Camille Rose coconut water leave-in. I have literally been trying my best to not use this. It is right here. As you guys can see, there's no more product up here. It's right here. And I absolutely love this product. It is so lightweight. It smells like bananas. I love this whole line, the coconut water line. And I'm not even big on coconut stuff. Like, I'm not a big, I like coconut oil. I've never actually been a fan of coconut oil, but things with coconut in it does not bother me as long as it's filtered correctly. I'm okay. I'm not like oblivious. I'm not like, oh my God, sister has coconut oil, I'm not gonna use it. I'm not that girl. Like, it's not that deep. If the shit work, it works. So I really like this coconut water product. This whole line is like very great. So this is honestly one of the best lines from Camille Rose that I like. Personally, I did not like that lavender shit they came out with, and not even on front. Like, it was okay, but it wasn't like, oh my God, it's so amazing. It wasn't. There wasn't that. So there's that. That's my favorite leave-in conditioner. Of course, the One Condition Decadence from Ziva Curl. I don't want to mention a lot of Ziva Curl products for too long, because I know they're expensive, and I know you guys probably can't afford to be purchasing a lot of these products. But I like the shit, okay? I gotta mention what I like. And this one conditioner decadence is so good. Like, I know you guys are probably looking at these bottles like, oh, they full, but I use the pumps and I just refill this, and they send me products all the time. Love that too. And I did want to mention this Trey Lux one because I wanted to mention this one because, first of all, I do like it, but god damn it just smells like it smells like Christmas time. Okay, this is a whole Thanksgiving dinner smell. Like, it's so cinnamony. It just reminds me of Christmas time, and I feel like during the colder weathers, this is going to be a product that I want to go for because I just feel like it's just too Christmassy. The scent is so strong. This is just not a summer scent for me. During the summer, I like nice, fruity, tropical, beachy scents, but during the winter, I can handle cinnamony, like cookies, and all that. This smells like a cookie. It smells like some baked stuff, but it is very, very good. So I did want to mention it in my favorites because I do like it. So shout out to y'all Trey Lux because I haven't had a lot of new brands in my favorites, but you guys are making it there. You and Eco Slay are making it in my favorites, okay? As far as tools, I did want to mention this because, like I said, when you are using leave-in conditioners, you want to make sure you are applying it when you are in the shower. But if you're not, you want to go in with some water, some warm water. Put some warm water in these bottles. These are bottles that I got from this. I got this one from Sally's. It's like a imitation alcohol bottle. So if you felt like it looked like alcohol, that's supposed to happen. And then I got this one from Red Bear, but this is a 360 sprayer. You guys should already know I have a ton of spray bottles, and these just have water in it, by the way. I'm just like, hey, they got water in it. But yeah, this one missed out like a 360, and this one, if you are literally looking for water to actually go to your hair, like, I like the misters, but I'm getting away from this because I need more water when I'm doing my wash and goes. Like, it's cute, but those mists, it go too far. Like, sometimes I need something that just spray directly where I need it. You see how that's like it's just a difference, okay? So I do like both of these. Both of these, the 360 and a regular spray bottle, but this regular spray bottle, to be specific, is just really good. Like, this is a heavy duty. We gonna get your hair wet. You want wet? You say you want wet? Oh, you want wet? Yeah. This, okay? So, y'all, that is pretty much all of my leave-ins and hair tools. Well, not necessarily. Oh. And detangling, of course. This is my favorite detangling brush, so we're not going to go into talking about a million other brushes in this video. I am testing out some right now, but we're going to save that for my next video on my week of favorites. But for right now, this baby has been taking the plate. Anytime I really need to truly detangle my hair, I'm not talking about styling my hair, I'm talking about truly just detangling my hair, I reach for my Felicia Leatherwood brush, and it is a bomb.com, and this is their detangler brush. Looks like this. So if you guys are looking for a great detangler, this is hands down my favorite brush of all time. So if you guys are looking for one, check her out. They do get sold out a lot, but I will link everything below so that you guys can check it out because I absolutely love it. I love it. This is my favorite one. I reach for it all the time. Alright, so I think that's pretty much it, you guys. Oh my god, that was a lot of stuff that I needed to talk about. But I love leave-in. If you don't have a good leave-in conditioner that you feel like really moisturizes your hair and locks in moisture so that when you are going your 5 days in your wash and go, you just want to make sure that the leave-in that you're using is of quality, okay? And just because it's thick does not mean it's quality. So I do see a lot of people using thicker products thinking that just because your hair look white when you put it on, that means it's moisturized. No, that's not true. So I'm here to tell you these are some really good products. So if you are looking to try any of them out, there you go. But I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.